Hello everyone, today we are going to make a simple recipe which is very easy to follow. You can just add all the ingredients in one bowl. I am starting with 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. I am using powdered sugar, please note that. I am adding all the wet ingredients together: 2 eggs, half cup of oil, half cup of buttermilk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. You don't need a beater to make this batter. You can take a whisk and just mix everything together. If you don't have a whisk, just use a spoon or a spatula to mix the batter. Take another bowl, add all the dry ingredients together. 1.5 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. Now you can add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredient and fold slowly. Don't overmix the batter, it will affect the softness of the cake. Once all the ingredients are folded together, you can use the whisk to give a good mix. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour to the choco chips. If you are not covering the chocolates with the flour, all the chocolates will settle down. It won't stick through the layers. Now give a gentle folding. Again, don't overmix the batter. If you find the batter is thick, you can add 1/4 cup of warm water or milk to the batter and fold gently. Here I am taking a loaf pan, cover the inside with butter paper and add the batter to it. Tap the cake pan few times to release the air bubbles, otherwise the holes will be forming inside and it won't look good. Preheat a bigger pan on stove and keep a trivet or any hot pot holder inside, and on top of that place the cake pan. Now cover and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. First 20 minutes keep it in medium flame, then reduce to low flame. You can also bake in oven 170 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Once the cake is cool to touch, decorate it with buttercream and serve. If you like the recipe, please try at home. Please like the video. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell button.